Welcome back, and straight away, eBay. Yes, you are running a business on eBay. And what do you need to do to make sure that you have a consistent, steady flow of income? We see lots of sellers on eBay that vary on the type of products that they sell, and you probably do on your account. Now, one of the key factors that I believe to having a successful eBay business or any business is a product that you can make a substantial amount or a decent amount of profit that people will keep repeat buying. So, what I'm looking at from my point of view is a core product that we sell that we know we can purchase, put into stock, and there will be a trickle of sales that will keep us going. And these products that I mean, some examples are, for instance, shampoo. Two small bottles of specialist shampoo. Now, shampoo is a product that is used. People will buy it, use it, and need to buy it again. So that is what we would say a product that we will put up. These are quite specialist, unique shampoos that people will buy for us, profit for us, and will have a repeat customer. Other examples, people will make a very, very successful business out of selling ink refills. Again, it's a product that is used and people need to replenish. One of the products that we have at the moment that we sell a lot of is these. They are cat treats. They are an expensive product that normally retail for around $12.95. We have this product that sits and will be sold because people buy them, the cats eat them, and then they need to buy some more. Another products that we have, or I would recommend that people have, is a very high value product that people will buy. This is a travel bag. It was courtesy of British Airways. And that cost us a lot to buy the flight in the first instance, but when you have enough of them that can sit there and you can make a profit effectively, they are yours. You've got them to do with what you wish. You can then sell them on and make a profit. And that is key to establishing a product or a series of products that you know will generate a regular sort of income. Some people make successful business out of just selling replenishable products, and you can see lots of them. But as a small business, if you can put in to your inventory one or two products that you know will sell on a regular basis, that will then help you fund and keep your business going so you can do all the exciting and glamorous stuff that we all love to do and buy and sell and make that killer profit. But you won't sell those every day unless you've got a wonderful niche market that I haven't been able to break into. By that, I mean products from other areas. So we look at this product. It is a music box. It is an Esco. It is quite a nice piece, but it's not going to be sold every day. We're going to have to wait for someone to come along who specifically wants this product, who specifically wants to buy it. It's a good money earner from what we paid for it, where we sourced it, to what we sell it for, and it's good value for the person who's buying it. Now, these products, thought I would give that a little bit of a music box there. These products are great and they will make you money, but they cannot be guaranteed to be sold every day. And that's the key. So from this video, establish your cash cow, and that will help keep your business going. Thank you very much.